Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Today I'm going to do a quick little review for you of my July Ipsy bag. I apologize if the air conditioner kicks in and is noisy, but if I didn't have it on, it would be really hot in here. This was Ipsy's July Glam Bag. Really pretty, tropical-like. July was Dive In. And I'm super thrilled with probably 90% of my products. The first one I'm going to say is this beautiful nail polish color from Color Club. Wearing it right now. I've actually had it on for a few weeks, and this nail polish takes a beating. I'm so hard on my nail polish. Dishes, boxes, packing boxes, moving boxes, and it's still on. It's not really chipped at all. A little bit growing out, but this is a fantastic shade. I love the shade, and it lasts for years, so this is like my new favorite brand of nail polish, Color Club. Then I got this eyeshadow, What's the Tea, from theBalm, and it's in the shade He Said, She Said. It's a pretty sort of icy iridescent lilac, I want to say. Right now it's a little hard to see with the bags. It doesn't go on quite as dark as the shade here. I mean, you can build it up to it, but it's a really pretty icy shade, nice for summer. Then from Pacifica Beauty, got this pretty box, couldn't wait to open it. And out came this lovely bronzer blush duo. So the bronzer is pretty matte, slightly shimmer. The blush has some shimmer in it. It has a really strong rose fragrance. I'm not a huge fan of fragrance in my makeup, but it's not terrible. Also has this pretty mirror on the back. I don't use bronzer very much, but I did use it as a contour shade, and it worked pretty well. I am always happy with a makeup brush, and I'm happy with this one from Firma Beauty. It's kind of a nice, like, smudging or blending eyeshadow brush. It's really soft. You could also use it for contouring, or you could use it to put on concealer or loose powder. It's really a pretty universal brush. Last but not least, this facial cleanser from Murad. I'm not a huge fan of facial cleansers, but this one's not bad. It's refreshing, it's hydrating. It's really nice if you're in the market for a facial cleanser. Thanks for watching my super quick video. I will be back soon with more, so stay tuned. Check out the blog for more info. I will see you next time. Bye.